Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Simplified. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn on active status on OnlyFans. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser, then type in onlyfans.com. Once you do that, you're gonna have to go ahead and give your credentials to log in into your OnlyFans account. Once you've logged in, at the bottom of your screen, you're gonna find 5 options there: home, notification, create new post, your messages, and your profile. Tap on your profile. There you're gonna find options like your profile, collections, settings, your cards, become a creator, help and support, etc. Go ahead and tap on settings. Once you go to settings, you can see options like profile, account, privacy and safety, notifications, and display. Go ahead and select privacy and safety. From your screen, under privacy and safety, you're gonna find options like show activity status and show subscription offers. Turn on the button right beside show activity status, and guys, that's it. That's how you turn on activity status on OnlyFans. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.